Hello everyone, welcome to Pravya'S Food Diaries. I hope you all are doing good and enjoying our recipes, and if you love watching them, please do like, share, subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our new recipes. In today's video, we are going to see the recipe of Chakli. It is made using various flours. So to start with, first clean all the lentils by rubbing them with the cloth. Then dry roast all the lentils separately. And then mix them and grind them into a flour. In a saucepan, add water, ajwain seeds, sesame seeds, salt, red chili powder and let them boil. Once it boils, add 1 cup of prepared Bhajni to it. Mix it together with the water until it forms a dough. Now switch off the heat and cover it with a lid for 5 minutes. Now knead it well together to form a nice and smooth dough. Apply some oil to the chakli mold and add the dough to the mold. And make equal sized chaklis. Fry these chaklis in medium hot oil. Do not flip the chaklis until one side is perfectly fried. Once it cools down till room temperature, store them in an airtight container. If you like this recipe, do let me know in the comment section whether you liked it or not.